So this is my parents' house, and today we are going to remove this deck. This episode's going to be pretty fun because I've never actually removed a deck. I've only built one once before. As with anything in life, just because you've not done it doesn't mean that it's not possible. And thankfully, I have my dad here to help show me how to do it. Although demo is pretty easy, and it's kind of the most fun and liberating part of any renovation because you can just kind of swing hammers and let your rage fly. It's like therapy, but by destroying things. So this is their new house, and they bought it to renovate. It used to be my Oma's house, actually, so I've grown up coming here my whole life. It is one half of a duplex, so there's another duplex to the side that has actually already done the renovation that my parents plan to do to this deck, which is to expand the interior living space out onto the deck and actually push the deck itself to the side. We are going to work with the existing structure. There are beams that are coming down to this column. Essentially what they're going to do is bump the house out to meet these columns. Today we are just focusing on the deck itself, but as you can see, this beautiful established hydrangea is going to have to come out as well. So at some point we're going to break our backs trying to get that out. It's a really beautiful plant, so we're actually going to repurpose it and put it somewhere else. From the new renovation, you'll come from inside here. There'll be a nice sliding glass door that you go out onto a nice expansive deck. It also adds an extra little nook for privacy because it is a duplex and there are people living right on the other side of the lawn, that everybody gets their own private patio space. In this house, the view is everything, and right now it's chopped up in the windows by having these mullions in between. By removing the bay window and just having one very large picture window, it turns your attention ever so beautifully to the perfect landscape. Being the Sunshine Coast, everything here is about sunsets. We point in the perfect direction here on this location, and the sunsets here are absolutely stunning.
Here's the little one to lift it up first. This one. Like that.
Oh.
Just work your way all the way along.
Smart.
Yep. Another big one.
Wow.
Like that.
Pause for a diaper break.
I think she's quit crying.
Oh, that's a big wasp nest.
Wait a minute.
I found a big wasp nest. Yeah, that was a big one. Wood is getting drier the further we get out here from the sun, because the afternoon sun just comes around the side of the house and bakes it out here. We had a brief intermission to decide what could be kept, possibly. My dad is very good at keeping things that can be reused, and there always seems to be a purpose for it too. But in this case, it's rotten and also sloped because exterior decks are for water. And then when you're looking at building a deck, which is a step out and down, they're replacing the floors throughout the house. And this way, it's just gonna be nice and seamless because they're gonna lift this up. Right now, it was too low. Now what?
I just gotta cut the other end and fall over.
It's all rotten down there too.
Come on, it's all rotten. There's gonna be pretty big pieces to pack out of here.
Do you wanna cut it halfway?
I'm gonna cut it up. Go in there, you want to just cut them off at the end.
Sure.
Do the same thing that I did here. You just leave it about, you just gotta hang on to that thing because it wants to go.
Okay.
Just stay out so you don't get any nails, that's all.
Okay.
Just walk down one of them and away you go.
Okay.
Perfect. Just lay them on the ground. There's no nails in them or anything, so they're safe.
Whew.
What?
Like rubber fingers. There we go.
There.
Nice.
Wow. Mess, eh?
Such a mess.